So Lutheran Social Services over the years has, since 1979, has been a part of helping our community become a better place. We've been the first 211, we've been the first food bank, and we grew from that to refugees, to many other things where we are today. We're sort of at that fold with this concept of having other nonprofits in our building. It's really transforming the lives of people by able to help many more people than we've ever been able to help before.
My name is Jamie Beeker. I'm the Executive Director for Vision Is Priceless. Vision Is Priceless is a Florida certified free and charitable health clinic, and we focus on providing vision health care for children and adults here in Northeast Florida. Having a hub here with several nonprofits is very beneficial for people that are needing access to care. So they have a myriad of issues that they're faced with, and when they come to LSS's campus, LSS is going to be helping them with some social services, and then Vision Is Priceless is able to provide anything on the vision health care that they might need. The biggest benefit for having multiple nonprofits in one location is access to care. It makes it so much more convenient and easier for individuals who have a lot of issues that they're trying to work through. And when they come to a campus like this, they might not know all of the services that they need, but the fact that there's several of us here on the campus, it makes it more convenient to find out about other services that are available to them. And then it's an easy kind of process to walk them from perhaps one program over into another program. And access to care is one of the biggest needs and issues and barriers for people to be able to get services here in our community.
SoCan Community Health is a not-for-profit organization that prioritizes the treatment and prevention of HIV, sexually transmitted infections, and hepatitis C. We provide a one-stop shop for people that might be lower income, that need to have all their services in one place so that they're not facing barriers such as transportation. Folks are able to come to CAN and get all the services they need for HIV care, including pharmacy services and dental services. Then they can go to LSS and access the food pantry. Then they can go to Vision Is Priceless if they need access for vision care.
So making sure that everyone knows that we're all here together is so important. Our partners across the campus do so much incredible work. And sometimes you need to take a moment and reflect and say, oh my gosh, that's how it's all connected. So when we had been here for just a very short time, one of our patients going through cancer treatment came to visit one of our nurses, and we found out that the surgery that he had really changed the shape of his face, and his biggest concern was that he couldn't wear glasses anymore. So same day, we walked right down to Vision Is Priceless, who's in the building with us, and they were able to fit him for a new pair of glasses that would work after his cancer surgery. And we knew from that moment that the collaborations within the building were going to be terrific for the folks that we serve.
We're just able to meet the needs of our community in a much better cohesive way. When you're talking to your other nonprofit partners, you can better serve that client in a way that they never have been before. And also, you have all these leaders under one roof that can think together and have a think tank of how we can better serve our community. So this past year, we served over 90,000 people collectively with our other 4 nonprofit partners, which is amazing to think that we impact their lives in this way, and now we can do it so much more effectively by having these partners in-house. Everybody goes, how can I help? Well, there's many different ways that you can help at Lutheran Social Services. Volunteer, donate, give on a monthly basis. You can give us food. You can hold a food drive. You can do many things to help us meet those needs that keep growing every year. And that's the biggest thing that I can say is our needs are growing and our dollars aren't following that, unfortunately. So again, giving is always good to give back. The best way is to go to our website. It's lssjax.org. And you never do know when you might be in a situation when you're in the need for help, and wouldn't you want it to be a more robust nonprofit that you come to that can offer all these services at once.